Hey, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from MoonPay to Binance. We're going to head over Binance, sign in for our account, and you're going to see this dashboard. Of course, you need your account verified because without the verification, nothing is going to work. We're going to click on the deposit button, and then we're going to have these options. So we're going to head over here and click I have crypto assets. Click on deposit crypto like this, and we're going to wait for a few seconds until it is going to let us choose the coin. Let's ignore this message for a second for the verification. So we are going to select the coin. As you can see, we have BTC, ETH or Ethereum. We're going to select Bitcoin or BTC. Select the network, and we're going to select the deposit address or copy the deposit address. Basically, the network is going to be automatic on Bitcoin, but you're going to copy your address. Head over MoonPay, and we're going to find into the app the button send. It is going to be hidden in the more options or 3 dots, which is going to lead to more options into the dashboard on your phone. Click on send, and you're going to paste the address or the deposit address that you have got from Binance. You're going to select the amount that you want, and of course it is going to be deducted from your balance or the wallet that you have on MoonPay. After that, you're going to confirm the address and the amount, and it is going to be sent in just a few seconds. With that, it is going to be a very short transaction. It is going to maybe have some fees set up here and there, but you're going to get your goals right away. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.